Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. Today, one article is the Common Party, the party that was born out of India against corruption movement and promise a new beginning in Indian politics has over the years moved away from some of its core idea and built its electoral politics on a promises of welfareism and subsidies, pepped the Hindu symbolism and the nationalism. Nikhil M. Babu. In the summer of 2011, Anna Hazare, a Maharashtra-based social activist, stated a fast unto death protest in the national capital Ram Leela Maidan seeking Jan Lokpal bill to fight corruption. The movement India Against Corruption was quick to catch the public imagination, pulling thousands into the prevailing grounds at the heart of Delhi. As it grabbed national and international headlines, many thought it was India's movement of revolution. The then United Progressive Alliance UPA government was forced to engage with the team and Anna to draft a Jan Lokpal bill, but as their demands were not satisfactorily met, Arvind Kejriwal, one of the chief architects of the movement, and the other left Mr. Hazare behind and formed a political party on November 26, 2012, the Aam Aadmi Party, Common Man's Party. The party's main aim was to fight corruption, and surprising many political observers came to power in Delhi in December 2013 with the outside support of the Congress. Mr. Kejriwal, an IIT graduate who had worked as an IRS officer, was shown in as the chief minister. Tasting success in Delhi, the party was ready to separate its wings beyond the capital and ahead of the fighting against the BJP. Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi in the 2014 Lok Sabha election, Mr. Kejriwal read out about a list of corruption political leader while addressing party members in Delhi in January 2014. The list included P. Chidambaram, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Kapil Sibal, Farooq Abdullah, Sharad Pawar, Rahul Gandhi. This is just the beginning and the list will grow. Should they be defeated this time or not? He asked the audience. Fast forward 11 years, AAP leader including Mr. Kejriwal now shares stage with many of these leaders and is part of the opposition alliance India along with the Congress. Over the 12 years since its formation, the AAP seems to have slowly slid away from at least some of its founding idea, and it may many way become similar. Another arm party, Common Party from Aam Aadmi Party, from fighting corruption as its core idea to hardly talking about its now. From Mr. Kejriwal traveling in Delhi Metro and an old blue Wagoner to swanky SUVs, now from statement of Mr. Kejriwal not taking bungalow to a controversy over renovating the government bungalow for over 30 crore rupee today. The list of the change and contradiction goes on. Each are pushing the up a little more closer to any other political party. One man army. The AAP has came a long way political from the Rablida Madan after coming to power in Delhi in December 2030. The AAP government resigned after 49 days as it was not able to table a Delhi Jan Lokpal bill in assembly lacking necessary number. Mr. Kejriwal then went back to the people of Delhi. They gave the AAP historic mandate of 67 out of 70 seat in 2015, and the AAP returned to power in 2020 by winning 62 seats. The party came to power in Punjab in 2022 and later that year in won 5 seats in Gujarat with a 12.9 vote share. The performance lead to the party getting the national party status in 2013 is just a little over 10 years since its formation. But along this journey, founding members such as Prashant Bhushan and Yugendra Yadav were Yadav were expelled. This many other left the party as the party grew. The power also consolidated in hands of one man, Mr. Kejriwal, his and his inner circle. In January 2021, the party quietly amended its constitution, changing a clause that prevented anyone from holding post for more than two consecutive terms of 3 years each. This made way for Kejriwal to continue as the national convener, the highest post in the party. The AAP has in many way become synonymous with Mr. Kejriwal and the party's manifesto even called Kejriwal Kiss guarantee. Over the year, the AAP's electoral politica has crystallized into promises of welfare and subsidy peppered with Hindu symbolism and the national. Mr. Kejriwal does not shy away from saying they are building Ram Rajya in Delhi and even built a 30 feet high replica of the Ram Mandir in Delhi using public fund as part of Diwali celebration of the Delhi government, and did puja with his cabinet colleague at the replica. During the anti-CA protest in Delhi Shaheen Bagh, Mr. Kejriwal tactfully stayed away. He even said he would give God the road clear of the protester if his government has control of the Delhi's police. In 2019, the AAP voted in favor of the abrogation of Article 370 and the bill stripping Jammu and Kashmir of the statehood. In the run-up to the 2015 Delhi Assembly election, Mr. Kejriwal did not campaign in many areas with sizable Muslim populations such as Mustafabad and Okhla. Loss and future. One of the hardest blows the AAP received since its inception was in 2022 when allegation of a scam in the Delhi excise policy stated to shake the AAP, leading to the arrest of the senior leader, including Mr. Kejriwal and his trusted deputy Manish Sisodia. The AAP Supremo, who came out on bail in September last year, resigned as the chief minister, stating he wants to prove his innocence in Janta Ki Adalat People's Court as the court case will be dragged on for years. Atishi Mr. Kejriwal's confidently succeed him as chief minister for the remaining term. Both Mr. Kejriwal and Mr. Sodhia lost the election along with the AAP when results were out on February 8. As dust settled in the Delhi polls, the AAP is left with the question: what hurts more, the party losing power in Delhi or the party's chief losing the election? For the AAP, which contests election in other states, including in Punjab 2022, on Mr. Kejriwal face value and Delhi model of governance, it will be hard to recover from the combination of the both losses. Shift in vote. Party insiders say the shift is middle class voter to the BJP cost them the election, but many workers say the distance between the leader and the worker has also grown as the parties grew with just 22 out of 70 seats in Delhi. It is the host performer of the AAP since it was formed. Another question is that will the AAP, which has almost never been without power in Delhi, survive 5 years or more without power? Unlike the left or the BJP, where people rise through the rank over the year is not decade to become MLA or minister. Many of the AAP leader and had this position almost overnight without cutting their teeth in the politics for years. That said, the AAP vote share in the Delhi election was only 2 percentage points less than that of the BJP. In contrast, the Congress is behind the Saffron Party by almost 39 percentage points. Also a chance in law by the Union government in May 2023, which neglected a Supreme Court judgment to and gave the control of the bureaucratic in the Delhi government to the Union government, appointing lieutenant governor. This is a crucial factor in Delhi, which is not a full state. Many of supporters believe that the party fortune could have been different in Delhi was a full state. It will be mistake to write off the AAP, as it has time and again demonstrated the ability to become the back from the setbacks. But what is to be seen is whether the party, having moved away from many of its core ideas, will be able to stand out from the other party, or the whether the public will see it as just another party, political party. The gist: AAP won 67 out of 70 seats in this to 2015 in Delhi and returned to power in the state in 2020 by winning 62 seats. The party came into power in Punjab in 2022 and later that year won 5 seats in Gujarat with 12.9% vote share. This performance led to the party getting the national party status in 2030, in just a little over 10 years since its formation. But along this journey, founding member Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav were expelled, while many others left the party. As AAP grew, the power also consolidated in the hands of one man, Arvind Kejriwal. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet tomorrow. Jai Hind.